Good morning. I'm Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Commerce Sourcing, Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today we are going to discuss the uses of wood. The topic is important for intermediate students of the university. Wood has a short form written in this way, jaw. For example, anyone would look silly in that hat. The short form of wood is pronounced da. It can be seen in the example, I'd look ridiculous wearing that. We form negatives and questions in the same way as other modal verbs. For example, this color wouldn't suit me, would it? When would I wear it? We use would for a possible hypothetical situation. Well, compare to understand better. We are going to have a barbecue. Oh, that will be nice. It expresses a future situation. We are thinking of having a barbecue. Oh, that would be nice. It expresses a possible situation. You must be knowing the word barbecue means a metal frame for cooking food on an open fire outdoors. With would, there is often a phrase or clause expressing or explaining the possible situation. For example, you wouldn't be much use in a crisis. Well, try to understand. With would, there is often a phrase or clause explaining the possible situation. For example, you wouldn't be much use in a crisis. No one would pay taxes if they didn't have to. Would like means the same as want. Well, try to understand would like. Would like means the same as want. For example, she would like to work in television. We'd like a place of our own to live. We use would like in offers and invitation. Well, try to understand. We use would like in offers and invitations. For example, would anyone like a drink? Would you like to join us for lunch? Well, now compare like and would like. Well, try to understand it. I'm a great dancer. I like going to clubs. Means I always enjoy going. Let us go out somewhere. I'd like to go to a club. Means I want to go. We can also use would with verbs such as love, hate and enjoy. For example, he would love to do deep sea diving. I'd hate to live in a big city. Now, would mind. We use this in a negatives or interrogative questions. For example, I wouldn't mind doing it. If you say, I wouldn't mind doing it, means I want to do it. Would you mind doing it? It becomes a polite request. Well, now, would rather. Would rather means prefer or would prefer. For example, I'd rather walk than wait for a bus. Would you rather eat now or later? The negative is would rather not. For example, I would rather not take any risks. Finally, most important thing, to ask for something. You should use would like, not want. Well, again, to ask for something, you should use would like, not want. For example, I'd like a drink please is more polite than I want a drink. In this way today, we have become acquainted with certain important uses of words. That's all for now. Thank you.